Hello everyone, welcome to this series, The Art of Selling Your Artwork and How to Do It. In the previous video, we talked about how to set up your shop on Icon Scout and get approved to sell. If you follow those steps correctly, you should get approved and receive a confirmation email from Icon Scout. So now it's time to upload your artwork and start selling on Icon Scout. I'll guide you through each step so you can avoid rejections and get your work out there. In this video part 2, I'll show you how to upload your illustration pack on Icon Scout step by step. If you want to sell your existing artwork on different platforms and earn extra income, make sure to subscribe my channel. In upcoming videos, we will talk about how to open shops on other platforms and what type of artwork sell best. Sounds exciting? Let's dive in. First, go to the Icon Scout website, click on the profile icon at the top right corner, then click on the contributor dashboard. Inside the contributor dashboard, click the illustration button, then click upload new. This will open the upload screen. Then what's the file requirements? You need to upload your illustration in these 5 formats: PNG, SVG, EPS, JPEG and AI. So PNG SVG files must have a transparent background and the image size should be minimum 1500 pixel and maximum 3000 pixel on the longest edge for PNGs. How to name your files? I have already mentioned in the part 1, use clear and consistent names. Don't use different names for each file. They should all follow the same naming format. Let's come to the uploading files. So you must upload at least 3 vector illustrations and each one should include all 5 file formats. Follow along as I upload mine. You will see it will take a bit of time. This will take hardly 1 or 2 minutes. Once the upload is complete, the screen will update to show you the uploaded files. I just uploaded only 3 files to my illustration pack, but I want to add more. To add more illustration to the same pack, click the upload more from the top navigation bar and follow the same process. Once all your files are uploaded, add clear and relevant title. And then write a short description. Choose a bundle type. If you are new, create a new bundle. So I'm just adding the avatar bundles. Select to correct vector categories. Next, upload mockups for better presentation. You can upload up to 8 different mockups for your vector pack. But I'm uploading 2 mockups this time. But feel free to add more. It's completely up to you. Now let's add tags. Tags help people find your work, so be specific. For example, if it's an avatar characters, use tag like female avatar, male avatar, whatever it is, people, characters. So good tags equal to more visibility, equal to more sales. Add tags to each artwork. If the tags are similar, you can copy and paste them to other files and press enter to apply. So final step is fill in the details, basic details, and finish uploading your artwork. Once everything is ready, click the submit button at the top right corner. After submission, congratulations, you have successfully submitted your vector pack to Icon Scout. It usually takes 7 to 10 days for your pack to be reviewed. Once approved, it will go live to your store and you can start earning. More important things, if you want to check your status of your submission, go to your dashboard. If it's still under review, your artwork will show in the review section. Once approved, it will be moved to the live in store section. So you can check from there. Once your store is live, promote it. Add the link to your Instagram bio, Behance, LinkedIn, or even your YouTube descriptions. You never know where your next buyer will come from. So that's how we can upload our existing artwork to Icon Scout and sell. It's easy to start and the potential is huge, especially if you are already creating illustrations. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and if you start uploading, tag me. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.